Yo, what's good? Yo, welcome back to my channel, man. As you can see, man, today we're gonna be trying out something different. You know what I'm saying, we're gonna be going on the Monkey app or the E app, something like that. I don't know what it's called now, but we're gonna be pranking people, bro. You know what I'm saying, I'm gonna act like I'm doing some crack. I got some powder with me right here, bro. This is not no crack. I never did crack a day in my life. I'm not no crackhead, bro. But you know what I'm saying, we're gonna be pranking people today, bro. I'm gonna act like I'm putting crack in this thing right here. You know what I'm saying, this is where I got my case from, by the way. I recently got my phone case. You know what I'm saying, from the mailbox, like 2 days ago, some shit like that, you know what I'm saying? So I thought about putting the powder in this thing right here, you know what I'm saying? Basically, act like I'm sniffing crack from that shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let me start by putting some powder in this thing right here. Alright. Oh man, I just poured it in my pants and shit, bro. I just poured it in my pants and shit. As you can see, man, I think this is enough, yo. I don't need to put so much in it. I think this is enough. I hope somebody can see that shit. But I'm not gonna be putting my nose in this thing like here, you know what I'm saying? It looks kind of awkward, so I need something like, you know what I'm saying? I need something to use, bro. Give me 1 second, yo. I'm saying I'm gonna be using this thing right here. As you can see, this is a pen, yo. I hope nobody noticed this is a pen, bro, because that's gonna be embarrassing if they will catch me lacking. But I'm gonna act like I'm sniffing like these, bro. You know what I'm saying? Basically see people's reaction, how they react and shit. Without any further ado, man, let's go crazy, bro.
What the fuck? Yo, niggas be clowns. What the fuck is that, nigga? Keep sniffing on that shit.
Why you lucky, bro? I got the first one, yo. You know what I'm saying? I got the first one and shit. Let's keep on trolling these people, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to have fun, bro. I don't take this shit too serious, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you can see this shit, though. Hold on. I think you can see like these, though. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep on going, bro. I got the first person, yo. Let's keep on going, bro. Man, I hope you can, bro. I don't know if you can see me, like the whole thing. But let's keep on going, yo. Is that how crackheads do it, bro? Like they're breathing like that, bro. I don't know, dog. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, yo. He didn't say nothing, yo. That's crazy. I hope, bro, nobody gives a fuck about this shit, huh? Bro, nobody's saying nothing, yo. They must be like, what the fuck is going on? You know what I'm saying? You want some, bro?
Nigga, shut the fuck up, bro.
You want some crack and shit? Why you bro? You want some?
Nice.
You want some, bro?
I'm good. But, you know, keep going.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Bro, what the hell is going on, yo? Alright. Oh my god, she feels way too good, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Nobody's saying nothing, yo. Yo, you want some, bro? Nah, this is some real crack, yo. You want some crack?
Hey, do you like Pakistan? Hey, do you like Pakistan or India? Hey, do you like Pakistan or India?
You want some crack, yo?
No, do you like?
Both, bro. I fuck with both. I fuck with both, man. Oh man, this is getting to my nose though. God damn. Hey, bro, I'm not getting no real reactions, yo. I think everybody they just shook, you know what I'm saying? They don't know what the fuck to say.
What was this? What? I don't know.
Hey, yo, bro. Hey, bro. Have some time, yo. Have some time, yo.
Bro, was in the USA.
Right, you fuck with this? You like this?
I don't know what that is, bro. What is that? Is it a good thing?
This is crack, yo. I do some.
Oh, yeah. You make yourself like Snoop Dogg and Dr. Dre.
That man just says Snoop Dogg and Dr. Dre. That's tough. Australia. Alright, let me show some Australians, no?
Well, you done?
You want some? You want some crack? She did not say nothing, yo. Yo,
What up, man?
you do some crack, bro?
I ain't shit.
You do some crack, yo?
I ain't shit rolling around here, dog.
You do some crack, yo? You want some crack, yo? Hey, what up, bro?
Yo,
You want some crack? You want some crack?
what are you doing? What the hell?
You want some crack, bro?
Yeah, man.
Alright, that's what's up. I just found my friend, you know what I'm saying? That's my crackhead friend and shit. I'm just playing, bro. I don't do no fucking crack. What's up, bro?
Yo, but it says you're 114. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm a vampire, dog. You want some crack, dog?
There's like,
Alright, that's what's up. Oh, you smoke weed instead? I bet. Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up?
Hey, you want some crack, my guy? You want some crack?
Sure. Wait, add some time.
Hold on. You want some crack for real?
Sure.
How old are you, bro?
What?
So, hold on. You a crackhead for real? Like you a crackhead?
Yeah, I'll see.
Where do you live, bro? Listen, I was looking for some crackhead friends and shit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm glad I just found you, bro.
Okay.
You wanna do some crack with me someday?
Sure.
Wait, hold on. Where do you live, bro? Where you live at?
Canada.
Oh, for real? I'm gonna pull out to Canada right now. I'm gonna take a flight to Canada right now so we can do some crack together, bro.
Pranks?
Should I come right now?
Sure.
I bet I'm gonna take a flight right now, bro. We're gonna do some crack together, alright?
Okay.
Yep. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, yo. What's
yo,
good,
what
bro?
up?
What's good, my guy?
Nothing much. What about you?
I'm just doing some crack, yo. You want some crack? Bro, this is that ass getting to my nose, though. I don't know how, but what's up? Yo, that gotta be like the best reaction I got yet, bro. They was like, what the hell? What's up, yo?
What the fuck? You're 114 years old?
Yeah,
From
bro.
Canada?
Yeah, I'm a vampire, yo. You want some crack, though? I'll do some crack, bro.
You some crack, nigga.
What is that? You flexing with some clown money, bro? Man, look at you flexing with some clown money. That shit looks some clown shit. What's up, yo? You want some? You want some crack? This shit nice, huh? This shit nice, bro. This shit nice, huh? Yep. I'm just fucking with y'all, bro. I don't do not crack. Come on, now. Cool. What's up, yo?
Oh shit, bro. I'm tired of talking to you motherfuckers.
You want some crack, yo? You want some crack? You want some crack?
No, you want a lot of meth, please?
I mean, got the 3G Wi-Fi, bro. That shit was lagging as fuck. What the fuck was that? She was trying to leak me or something? What the fuck?
It's so big. Wow. Give me some.
What's up, yo? Yep, that's the good crack, boy. That's the good crack. Bro, he just left automatically, bro. He didn't want to see this shit.
That time? That shit was fake, bro. I know.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? You want some? Hold on. You want some crack, my guy? You want some crack, bro?
That shit. It's fake, bro.
What do you mean it's fake, bro? Don't you see it? This is the real shit, boy. See the real shit right here? You want some, bro?
Open that shit up. Let me see.
Why would I lie to you, my guy? Some real crack in this bitch. Stop playing with me. Why would I lie to you, bro? You want some, though? What the fuck? He just called me a nigga, too. That's tough. That's crazy. People on this side be going crazy, yo.
Yo, bro. I don't care about that shit, bro. But niggas gonna start talking to us niggas like we bitches and shit, bro. No cop.
What you mean?
They know damn well if they see one of us black niggas, they would have been scared as fuck walking the other way, man.
Yeah, boy. That's what I'm... What the fuck he just said? I didn't even listen to what he just said. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck he just say? Hey, yo, you want some, bro? You want some? You want some crack? Oh, alright. Here. Hey, it was good. You want some crack and shit? I'm a crackhead, yo.
And I'm a man.
Oh, for real? You want some crack, though? Hey, what's up? You want some crack, bro? I'm a crackhead and shit.
What?
I'm a crackhead, bro. You want some crack? $122. Yeah, what's good, my guy? You a vampire or something? He says 122 years old, bro. That's crazy. You a vampire, my guy? That's tough.
Nah.
Alright, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm 114 years old on this app, so I'm kinda old too, man. I'm a vampire too on this motherfucker.
What's up, bitch? Fucking crackhead.
Why you call me a crackhead for, bro?
You a crackhead?
crackhead, bro.
Shut up,
Stay
bitch.
home and you.
Don't call me no
If I knock you
crackhead.
down, you fuck.
I'm not no crackhead.
Okay, you opening up the stimulus shit? Oh, hey, I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you. I ain't no judge.
You want some crack, my guy? You want some crack?
What's that?
That's some real crack, bro. You say I ain't mad at you.
Nah.
Yeah, turn it up, bitch. Turn it up. Hey, let's go. Okay, I fuck with that. My boy Liddy, bro. They just skip me, bro. When they see the crack and shit, they just skip me and shit.
What's good, Canada?
What's good, my guy? You want some crack and shit? I'm a crackhead, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yep, I'm a crackhead. Yep. What my man's doing, bro? What my man's doing? You think it's some type of gangster or some shit?
This nigga over here is snorting anthrax.
You want some crack, my guy? You want some? You want some, my nigga?
Anthrax. You snorting anthrax?
Yep. Yep. Oh. He just add me like a friend as soon as I sniff on crack, bro. That's crazy. Unique.
Try away. No. Eu ensino o que é que say. Not. Drug addict wannabe.
Cause you I was shooting at that guy nigga. Yo nigga, you asleep, bro? You good?
You want some crack, my guy?
Nah nigga. Fuck out of here, bitch.
Hey, yo, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Why you call me a bitch for? You ain't gotta say bitch. Hey, you playing that Ghana, boy? Some real crack, my nigga. Stop playing with me. This nigga was high as hell, bro.
Nigga, what are you doing, man? You disgust me, man.
You want some crack it from? You want some crack it?
Nigga, that's some views from the sick shit, bro. I'm not with that bullshit, bro. Shout out Mo G, though.
The fuck he just say? That's some. I think that's the UK accent, right? I didn't get what the fuck he just said, bro.
Oh nah, what you just snorted? What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck?
You want some, bro?
Nah, bro, what the fuck you just snorted?
That's some cocaine and shit. Why they judging me, bro? Why you gotta judge me for? I can't do some crack? Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all, man. Lil Tecca, is that you? That's Lil Tecca, bro. That's crazy. My man's Lil Tecca in this motherfucker. I think think I'm done, bro. I think I'm done enough for today, you know what I'm saying? Listen, I'm not no crackhead, bro. Don't call me no crackhead in the comment section, because I never tried to crack a day in my life, bro. I put this on my soul, I put this on everything, bro, you know what I'm saying? But this video right here, man, is just for basically entertainment. I hope nobody takes this serious, you know what I'm saying? Because I was just playing around, bro. As you can see, I was just laughing, like having fun and shit. Because I cannot take this shit serious, bro. You know what I'm saying? It was just for fun and shit. But I hope you enjoyed this video, man. If you want the part 2, let me know down below in the comment section, man. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And I'm out this thing, bro.